Curious to know if your presence has ignited a deeper spark in her thoughts, wondering if she's thinking about you in a more intimate manner. Well, in today's video, we'll unveil 10 proven signs that might just reveal her hidden desires. From subtle glances to whispered hints, these clues will help you decipher if you hold a special place in her most private thoughts. So, let's delve into these subtle gestures that could be whispering sweet secrets of her undeniable attraction towards you. And if you're new here, don't forget to click the like and subscribe button LS to show your support. So what are the 10 signs she's thinking crazily about you? Well, 1. She tries to appear presentable to you. When a woman is genuinely attracted to someone, she will often go the extra mile to present herself in the best possible way when that person is around. You may notice her subtly fixing her hair, adjusting her clothes, or straightening her skirt, all of which could be strong indications of her interest. However, it's important to pay attention to the context. If these actions are specifically directed towards you when you enter the room, it becomes a more reliable signal of her attraction. Random adjustments throughout the day may not carry the same weight and could be attributed to other factors. Observing her behavior in these moments can provide valuable insight into her feelings. 2. She compliments you all the time. Compliments can be a clear indicator of a woman's attraction towards you. When she frequently compliments you, whether it's about your physical appearance or personality traits, it's a positive and encouraging sign. Women often reserve compliments for those they are genuinely attracted to, suggesting that she may have developed sexual interest in you. Pay attention to the consistency of these compliments, particularly if they persist even after you've been friends for a while. This ongoing admiration could signify a deeper emotional connection, and it's worth considering the possibility that her feelings have evolved beyond just friendship. 3. She enjoys talking to you. Meaningful conversations play a vital role in building strong relationships, and they can also serve as an important indicator of a woman's attraction towards you. If she genuinely enjoys talking to you and actively seeks opportunities to initiate conversations, it's a positive sign that she may be interested in you. Starting conversations with someone new can be nerve-wracking, but discovering shared interests or topics can help create a deeper bond. When a woman willingly engages in conversations with you, it demonstrates her interest and the possibility that she might be thinking about you in a more intimate way. Paying attention to these interactions can give valuable insights into her feelings and level of attraction. 4. She pays attention to her appearance when she's around you. A woman's attention to her appearance when she's around you can indicate her attraction towards you. While some individuals naturally care about how they look, it's worth noting if she puts in extra effort with her makeup, hair, or outfit whenever she knows she'll be seeing you. This extra attention suggests that she wants to make a positive impression and might have romantic interest in you. Paying attention to these small but meaningful details can give you valuable insights into her feelings and level of attraction, helping you understand where your relationship might be heading. It's essential to be mindful of these subtle cues, as they can provide clues to her emotions and potential interest in taking your connection to a deeper and more intimate level. 5. She maintains eye contact with you. Have you ever noticed her eyes locking onto yours and you wondered what it might mean? Well, it turns out eye contact can say a lot about a woman's feelings. When she maintains intense eye contact with you, it's like a hidden signal of potential romantic interest and a desire to connect on a deeper level. Those moments when her eyes meet yours for more extended periods might be revealing her emotional attraction. But wait, there's a catch. Some people, including women, might feel shy and avoid eye contact, so it's essential not to jump to conclusions too quickly. However, when a woman confidently meets your gaze without hesitation, it often indicates that she might be attracted to you romantically. Those unwavering stares can be a window into her heart, offering valuable clues about her feelings. Nonverbal cues like eye contact can speak volumes, and it's essential to pay attention to them. By being mindful of these subtle signs, you can gain insights into her interest and how she truly feels about you. Understanding these unspoken gestures can be the key to navigating your relationship and exploring the potential for a deeper, more meaningful connection. 6. She's nervous around you. When she appears slightly jittery or blushes during conversations, it signifies that you have an emotional impact on her. Many women are adept at concealing their emotions, making this display of vulnerability even more significant. The fact that she lets her guard down around you suggests that she finds you genuinely attractive and has developed a level of emotional investment. Her nervousness may stem from a mix of excitement, anticipation, and a desire to make a positive impression on you. It's a natural response when someone is drawn to another person on a deeper level. Witnessing this adorable vulnerability can deepen your understanding of her thoughts and emotions concerning you. It's essential to approach these situations with empathy and care, as she may feel self-conscious about her reactions. Pay attention to her body language and nonverbal cues to further gauge her interest. If you notice her becoming more comfortable over time, it may indicate that her attraction is growing stronger, potentially opening the door for a more meaningful connection. 7. She wants to spend quality time with you. If she actively seeks to spend quality time alone with you, it's a strong indicator of her desire for a deeper connection. Choosing to be in your company without any distractions suggests she may have a potential sexual interest in you. This one-on-one time presents an opportunity to explore your compatibility and get to know each other on a more intimate level. It's a chance to engage in meaningful conversations, share experiences, and build a stronger emotional bond. During these moments, pay attention to her body language and verbal cues to better understand her feelings towards you. Enjoying each other's company in a more personal setting can help foster a sense of intimacy and create a safe space for genuine emotional connections to flourish. Approach this time together with openness and sincerity, as it can provide valuable insights into your mutual attraction and compatibility. Use this opportunity to communicate openly and honestly, building trust and closeness that can pave the way for a deeper and more fulfilling relationship. 8. She initiates physical contact. When a woman initiates physical contact with you, such as touching your arm, giving hugs, or playfully nudging you, it can be a clear sign of her attraction. Physical touch is an essential aspect of human connection, and when someone is interested in you romantically, they may seek opportunities to create a sense of closeness through touch. By initiating these small gestures of affection, she is signaling her comfort and interest in being physically close to you. Pay attention to her body language and how she reacts to physical contact from you as well. If she responds positively and reciprocates the touch, it further reinforces the likelihood of her attraction. 9. She listens actively and remembers details. Now, if she is genuinely attracted to you, she will exhibit active listening skills and remember details about you and your life. She will show genuine interest in your conversations and ask thoughtful questions to get to know you better. Remembering important details you've shared, such as your interests, dreams, or even a significant event in your life, shows that she values you and the connection you share. By being attentive and remembering these details, she is signaling that you are essential to her and that she wants to build a deeper emotional connection. This level of interest and engagement in your life indicates that she sees a potential future with you and is investing in getting to know you on a more personal level. 10. She makes effort to stay in touch. A woman who is attracted to you will make an effort to stay in touch and maintain communication regularly. Whether it's through text messages, phone calls, or social media interactions, she will find ways to keep the lines of communication open. She may reach out first, initiate conversations, or respond promptly to your messages, showing that she values your connection and enjoys talking to you. Consistent communication is a positive sign of her attraction, as it indicates that she is thinking about you even when you're not physically together. This effort to stay connected demonstrates her interest in keeping the relationship alive and developing a deeper emotional bond. We've come to the end of this video, and if you enjoyed it, do well to click on the like and subscribe buttons. Don't forget to check other videos on our playlist. We've got some amazing contents for you. See you in our next video. For now, goodbye.